In the world of biotech and clean room environments, cleanliness is paramount. But clean room floors, a place that gets limited focus, can be a source of contamination, especially on the tubing and hose that lay there throughout the process. Introducing the hose holder, the first of its kind designed for easy adoption in CGMP cleaning processes. Built to keep your hoses off the floor to reduce contamination and reducing chances of being stepped on or kinked. Made of high-density polyethylene, capable of holding up to 50 pounds. Rust-proof, shatter-proof, and non-porous, preventing any contamination risks. Color coding can allow representation of distinct flow paths, such as permeate and retentate, distinguishing as needed. Assembling and disassembling is a breeze, requiring minimal maintenance and easy cleaning. A simple but important, audit-ready solution, a true game changer for industries seeking to take safety and efficiency to the next level. Upgrade your hose management today. Contact us now to request a sample and revolutionize your workflow with the hose holder.